me. Hey everybody, it is LaMeel, the priestess from LaMeel Magic. Welcome. If you are new to this channel, this series, it's a 28-day series that we're doing about igniting your intuition, which you need in a magic practice. Is new. We're going to do a video every single day and get to know each other and hopefully expand your intuition in the process. So the way this is going to work is that you're going to need a journal, and we're going to do this for 28 days. 21 days is the amount of time that they say really takes to develop a habit. About 30 days really solidifies that habit. We're going to go right in between 28 days. Each day, I'm going to give you a new ritual that you're going to add. So it's going to be a compounding effect so that we can activate your intuition. And like I said, using your intuition in a spiritual or magic practice is imperative. And so these rituals that I'm going to show with you or share with you over the next month are really simple things that you can initiate and incorporate on a daily basis. So it's not like at the end of the month you're going to have 2 hours worth of stuff that you can't manage. You may have 2 hours worth of practice, but 2 hours out of the day and not all at the same time and that type of thing. So we're going to get started. So this is our 28 days to ignite your intuition series. I am, for those of you who are new here, I am LaMeel, the priestess. This is my channel. You can visit me at lameel.com. All of my contact information is below. I am probably most engaged on Instagram. If you have questions, if you'd like to send me your results, because I really do enjoy hearing them and want to be able to kind of start shouting you guys out, because I do appreciate your support of me and I want to support you. So I have some notes here because I do not want to forget anything in this process as we start this. The 28-day series will come out every Tuesday. And that's not right. This isn't a daily series. New videos will come out every Tuesday. So those videos are going to be spiritual based, more so about your magic practice. Okay, so those will come out every Tuesday. My tarot readings come out every Sunday, and this intuition series will come out daily for the next 28 days. If you're interested in my manifesting miracle series, I'm doing that on my LaMeel TV channel, where I talk more about manifesting from quantum physics point of view. In my mind, all magic practice, manifesting, quantum physics, like all of that is really the same. And of course, he wants to sit on my lap and say hello. Say hello. Don't lick me though. Get down. So it's all the same, but I do a lot more manifesting specific on LaMeel TV, as well as finances there. And here it is strictly about magic and your spiritual practice and the different things that are involved in that. So let's get into it. You get down. Again, if you're going to start this, I'm going to ask you to commit for 21 days, right? You're not really going to see the results until some time has passed. And really what you can expect is a heightened intuition. You're going to learn which voice or which sound is your first voice. You're going to learn to go with, what your higher self is saying to you. It's going to be easier for you to meditate. It's going to be easier for you to feel connected. You're going to feel less like, what do I do and how do I do it? You're going to be connected way more to source than you are now. And this is a series more so for beginners than for those who have been engaged for a long time. Unless you are kind of having one of those moments where where you've been doing everything and then you sort of slide out of your practice, this will actually help you get back into your practice. So, ritual number 1 is forget your phone. And I know that starting off, This is probably going to be one of the most difficult rituals for some of you. And this is not permanently forgetting your phone. This is not forever, not all day. It's for an hour a day. The best time for you to do this is going to be first thing in the morning. Why? Because your morning sets the tone for your day. And if you can take that morning energy and focus it on your intention, on your day, on what you're manifesting, on creating segments of intention throughout your day, you're going to have a more successful day. You are going to get ahead of the negative energy. It's going to allow you to create the day that you want, right? However, if you can't do it first thing in the morning, you can do it in the afternoon or whenever. The idea with this practice is to pick an hour out of the day, preferably morning, and turn your phone off. Turn your phone off, sit somewhere, journal, read, contemplate your thoughts. And initially those thoughts may be about, like, I got bills to pay, I got to take care of this, I need to call this person, I need to whatever it is, right? That is typically on your mind in the course of the day. It's going to be about doing. In other words, right? It's going to initially be, I got to do. But as you progress in this ritual and taking that time, I want you to journal about what is happening. You know, like today was really hard. I kind of had that monkey mind. I was everywhere thinking about everything that needs to be done. Now, day 15 or 20, you may be thinking about things you're thankful for. You may end up thinking about, you know, I really want to start volunteering. You know what I'm saying? So your thought process is going to change over time. But I want you to journal your experiences, and that journaling can be a half a page, a couple of sentences. You know, some people make happy faces, smiley faces, you know, frowns, confusion faces, whatever, sort of like a little drawing as a symbol for their journaling, so that they kind of can track how they were feeling and how it made them feel. That works too. Whatever works for you. If you're not a person who likes to write a lot, then use symbols, use pictures, use whatever, but create some type of journaling system so that you can go back and see your own progress, you know, as well. But your ritual number one, every day for the next 28 days, I want you to turn your phone off for 1 hour. When the hour is up, turn your phone back on, go back to your life, and see what a difference that makes. Now, if you can't disconnect until the evening, that's fine too. Disconnect in the evening, an hour before you go to bed. That may help clear your mind. It'll get you better rest. You know, you'll be more focused and things like that. But I want you to try it. There's going to be a link. There is a link below that you can click, sign up for the ritual series. You'll get every day a synopsis of what the ritual is and some journaling points for you there, as well as if you're enjoying this content, if this is working really well for you, please give me feedback here on YouTube as well as over on Instagram. You're more than welcome to join my community. There are a lot of us there that answer questions, give feedback, very, very supportive. So if you are interested in joining the community, the link is going to be below this video as well. And I am very glad that you're here. I am very thankful that you're here and that we are taking this intuition ritual series together. And I'm looking forward to seeing and hearing how it does for you.